Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change password of your laptop in Windows 11. So first of all, you need to hit right click on your Windows icon, then click on settings. Here you will see the section for accounts, so we have to click here, then just scroll a bit and click on sign in options. Then here you will see the option for password, so we just need to click on this little arrow and then you will see the option for change. Click on change. Then you will see this window where we need to type our current password, then set the new password and just click on next, and by following this process you can just change the password. Now it's for the people who are not able to see the password option and they want to change the password. So just because your this Windows Hello option is turned on, that means you are not able to access the laptop through your password but from typing the pin. Here you can see, and if you want to change that pin, just click on this arrow, click on change pin. So just type here your current pin, then set the new pin, confirm it and just click on OK. So that's how you can just change your password and pin if you want. Now yeah guys, that's it for this video. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.